Yo guys, what's up? I'm that big Enderman, and today we're breaking an iPod 5.
Same day that we're on that treasure hunt outside.
Yeah, and we went back because it was too hard to find. So we're trying to break this iPod 5, like experiment on it and stuff. So this is the cover, so like the screen, and that's the back. And we're trying to rip it off.
Should I go to the toolbox and get some pliers?
Yes, that'd be great actually. Alright, so I'm going, and while I'll show you it. Wait, so I'm gonna cut this off quickly. So let's try and cut this. Can't really get it off, so I'll just do this.
I finally got the tools. So. What are you doing? What the heck?
And this is the mask Adam made.
You stop showing everybody my private stuff.
Alright. So this is the front cover of it.
Hey, Erickson, can you hold this?
What should I hold?
The green part. I'm afraid.
What does that sound?
That wasn't the. Ow.
What? What happened?
Grease got on me.
Oh, that's gross. Alright, so I'm just got grease on him.
Yeah, it got stuck.
I'm trying to rip it off. Really hard. So, yeah.
Find the battery.
Ah, gosh, that's hard.
You bet it's hard.
Can I try? Here, hold the camera.
Take this. Oh no, the camera. Okay. Let's use. This is cool. Okay. You gotta hold the green part really tight. Pull it so tight as you can.
Alright, and you get this to then?
Now it's my turn. It's my turn to do something. I can cut the metal. I have to cut the metal now. No, I have to cut the metal. I have to cut it. It might break if you do that. Don't do that.
Oh yeah. Why don't you use these?
No, this is what cuts the metal. I'm cutting the metal.
So these are the tools we're using.
Yeah, it's not gonna cut. So we're gonna use regular scissors. See if those work. And they do.
Wow, they're stronger. Well, they're sharper. Okay,
so
we're almost done.
This is a test, and then
now we should try and get only the gold. That'd be cool, but
there's gold in here.
No, like the gold part.
Or the gold colored spot. But I think that's a gold plate. The gold plate costs a lot. $5,000. More, I think.
Alright, so he's just gonna continue trying to get it off. And we have completed it. We have got it off. The metal that leads to the battery. So I'm gonna do a view on what we took off. So
come on.
We took off these two parts.
I just broke the battery, I think. How do you get the battery out?
It's like nailed in.
Really?
I'm pretty sure.
I'm getting it out.
This is really hard, but we can do it.
We now have an iPod battery. Yes! See? It's hot. Kind of. It's like duct tape. It's like tape.
Whoa, this is cool.
This is cool. The QR code inside.
Look, show them.
Whoa. This is cool.
That's the inside.
Oh my gosh!
What?
I just found that plate kind of thing in there. Another QR code.
Well, this is sticky. This is the battery, and it's metal. We should get it out of here. Here, I'll hold this.
And it's warm.
It's gonna explode. It's a battery. It can explode batteries.
I said it to explode. Or it could leak.
True.
Wait, that probably is what happened. My iPod just stopped working. And then what happened was, I'm like, what the heck? And then my brother started smashing it because he thought it was useless. Need to see something.
Wait.
Yeah, there's a something here.
Like, what is? Why? Oh my God, sticking. Is it like water here?
No, it's supposed to stick to there. This gold might be actually real gold. This iPod is like screwed. Next video, we're doing the Wii. The white one.
Okay, bye.
Bye.